Prosecutors are building a case against Ariel Castro, the Cleveland man accused of kidnapping, raping, and holding 3 women against their will for 10 years. The Ohio Attorney General's office also confirms Castro is the father of a 6-year-old girl also rescued from his home. Ohio Attorney General Mike DeWine joins me now to discuss the latest developments in the case. What is the significance of establishing paternity in this case?
Well, I think Prosecutor McGinty would want to know that. That's an essential fact. It really corroborates what the victim has told investigators about the rapes. This is one more piece of evidence that you would want to have, and our lab got it last night and processed it overnight. So I think it's an important piece of information. As we talk, we are waiting for the FBI to come back. They're going to do a national check. So they will check the national database, which has about 11 million DNA profiles in it, to frankly see if he committed rapes or any other crimes in any other states.
Well, that's an important thing to know, and a lot of people have been wondering that because there are some other missing women in Cleveland from that same area.
Absolutely right.
Well, he is accused of, I guess, in some way, maybe killing fetuses belonging to one of these young women. What do you know about that, and what's the effort to establish that?
It is a aggravated murder, can be charged under Ohio law for the killing of an unborn child. And that's what Ohio law is. And so Prosecutor McGinty is looking at that as a possible charge. The reports have been that he may have caused the miscarriage 5 different times. So you would have 5 different occurrences of that potentially.
And when people look ahead, as they always do, to penalty phases of these cases, what is the likelihood that he could face the death penalty in this case? Well,
the prosecuting attorney and I've talked about this, and he is certainly looking at this. He's got a very good team, and there are certain elements that could be present. For example, if we have kidnapping, which it would appear certainly you do, kidnapping under Ohio law is not just the taking, but it can be a continuing offense as you continue to hold those individuals. Kidnapping can be one of the elements, one of the specifications that you have to prove in regard to a death penalty case. So the death penalty is certainly a possibility. The other thing that we would look for is the prosecutor to add additional charges as all the evidence comes out.
Well, there's a lot more for all of us to learn, and Attorney General Mike DeWine, we thank you for being with us tonight. Thanks. And stay with 10 TV on the air and online at 10tv.com for the latest developments. There you'll find our past stories and news conferences on demand involving this case.